Welcome, everyone. Today we're diving into one of the more surprising and refreshing celebrity stories making waves. Kourtney Kardashian, the eldest Kardashian sibling, has shocked fans by ditching her stylist and giving herself a do-it-yourself haircut. Yes, you heard that right. The woman who has been known for her polished and glamorous looks decided to take the scissors into her own hands and embrace a bold, natural change. For years, Kourtney has been admired for her sense of style. She may not have been as flashy as Kim or as experimental as Kylie, but she's always stood out for her effortlessly chic fashion choices and her understated yet classy approach to beauty. Fans have often called her the most relatable Kardashian, and moments like this haircut decision remind us why. Instead of depending solely on professional stylists or expensive glam squads, Kourtney chose a path that millions of people can identify with, simply taking control of her own hair and seeing what happens. The story began when Kourtney shared a few candid photos and videos of herself on social media. Fans quickly noticed her hair looked noticeably shorter and slightly more relaxed in style compared to her usual salon finish looks. Instead of hiding the fact, she admitted she had picked up a pair of scissors and decided to cut her own hair at home. Her caption was lighthearted, with a mix of humor and honesty, saying that sometimes you just have to grab the scissors and trust yourself. This wasn't just about the haircut, it became a symbolic moment. In a world where Hollywood perfection often dominates, seeing someone as high-profile as Kourtney embrace a more natural and DIY approach felt refreshing. Many of her fans applauded her decision, praising her for showing confidence and independence. One fan commented that it made her seem more human, while another said it inspired them to stop worrying so much about perfection. It's worth noting that this move fits right into the chapter Kourtney has been writing for herself over the past few years. Ever since her marriage to musician Travis Barker and her journey into motherhood again, she has openly focused more on family, health, and authenticity. She has often said that she values peace, balance, and self-expression over the constant pursuit of fame. This haircut might look like a small thing on the surface, but for Kourtney, it's part of a bigger message. Sometimes simplicity is powerful. Interestingly, Kourtney has always stood out from her sisters when it comes to lifestyle choices. While Kim often chases big, headline-making transformations, Khloe experiments with fitness-driven looks, and Kylie embraces the world of beauty trends, Kourtney has often leaned into minimalism and natural living. She's the one who has built a brand around wellness and organic products, and she's never been afraid to choose her own path. Cutting her own hair seems like another extension of that same philosophy. But let's be honest, when celebrities make bold decisions like this, reactions are always mixed. Some fans loved it, calling her brave and real, while others wondered if she might regret skipping a professional stylist. After all, a haircut can dramatically change someone's appearance, and in the entertainment world, looks are often treated as a brand. Still, Kourtney seemed completely unbothered by the speculation. Her relaxed smile and playful caption suggested she was happy with her choice, regardless of what critics had to say. This also isn't the first time a Kardashian-Jenner sister has made headlines with a hair change. Over the years, Kim has tried everything from platinum blonde to icy silver. Khloe has rocked short bobs and long waves, and Kylie has gone through countless colorful wigs. But what sets Kourtney apart this time is the fact that her transformation wasn't about shocking the public or marketing a product. It was simple, personal, and done on her own terms. Fans even began discussing how empowering it felt to see someone in her position make a relatable choice. During the pandemic, many people had to cut or style their own hair at home, often with less than perfect results. Seeing Kourtney embrace that same experience made her seem more connected to her audience. Some even said it gave them the courage to be less critical of their own appearances. From a psychological standpoint, acts like this can often symbolize freedom. For Kourtney, who has been in the spotlight for most of her adult life, constantly scrutinized and compared to her sisters, a DIY haircut could be a quiet but meaningful statement of control. It says, "I don't need perfection to feel confident." That message resonates deeply with people who are tired of unrealistic beauty standards. Of course, we can't ignore the influence Kourtney's decision might have on trends. Celebrities often inspire fashion and beauty movements, and it wouldn't be surprising if more people decide to try cutting their own hair after seeing her results. Already, beauty bloggers and fan pages have started analyzing her new style, describing it as an edgy yet effortless chop that matches her laid-back personality. What's also fascinating is how Kourtney balances her glamorous public life with these relatable choices. She still attends red carpet events and runs a successful lifestyle brand, yet she isn't afraid to show her less polished side. That's likely one of the reasons she remains such a fan favorite, her ability to embrace both the glossy world of Hollywood and the everyday reality of being herself. This haircut moment is a reminder that even celebrities don't always need to chase perfection. Sometimes, embracing imperfection is the most stylish choice of all. Whether fans view this as a bold statement, a fun experiment, or just a small change, it's clear that Kourtney's decision has sparked conversations about beauty, self-expression, and authenticity. At the end of the day, Kourtney Kardashian has always been the sister known for her independence and individuality. And this DIY haircut only reinforces that reputation. She's reminding us all that confidence doesn't come from how polished we look. It comes from how comfortable we are in our own skin. So, what do you think? Do you love Kourtney's new DIY look, or do you think she should have stuck with her stylist? Don't forget to subscribe, share your thoughts and comments, and stay tuned for more celebrity stories and updates right here.